Excellent idea. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to talk about how to change a fraction into a percentage. Right? Well, first of all, do you see the 8 part? 8 would be 800%. So I know I'm going to have a big number.
But is that like for sure, like on any mixed fraction like that?
Well, the whole number is going to be like 100. Yeah. Right.
So if it's a 7, it's
7 is 700, 20 is 2,000. 20 is 2,000. Like the number 20
You just add 2 zeros.
as a percentage would be 2,000%. Orale. That surprises me that that's one word. It sounds like it should be 2 words.
2,000?
No.
Orale.
Yeah.
Or L.
Orally.
Or ale.
Or ale. Ooh.
Or ale.
Ooh. Math or ale. Huh. Or ale. I like that. Okay. That's funny. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. So this is going to be 800% and a little more because it's 8 and then 2/5, right? So we've got a couple ways we can do it. I think the most straightforward way, Jackie, is to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. And if you remember, that way you do that is you multiply the denominator times the whole number, which would be 40, right? You multiply those, add those, that would make 42 over 5. Yeah? Oh, it's getting blurry again. And then from there you could do your handy dandy trusty calculator, or you could do it longhand like this. Oh, and that reminds me, I gotta tell you something about calculators for your quiz. And you could just divide. So that's 8, which we already knew, right? That makes me comfortable seeing that 8 right there. And then bring down the 0, right? Is 4 times 5 20? I hope so.
I think so.
I hope so. So here's what we have so far. We have that 8 and 2/5 is the same as 8.4. Problem is that's not a percentage, right? Percent is out of 100, so in order to change that into a percentage, we have to multiply by 100. And that's how you get 840%. So 8 and 2/5 is 840%.
Oh.
Now there's a little bit of a shorter way we could do this also.
Show me.
Well, you want me to show you?
Show me.
I'll show you.
Show me.
I'll show you. Okay. I'll show you, Alex. Alex, thing is, like, this is straightforward. There's not a whole lot of thinking you have to do, but you could also do it like this, and I think this is we talked about this the other day. 8 and 2/5 is the same as 8 plus 2/5. It is. And then, so we know that that's 800%, right? And you could turn 2/5 into a decimal. Here, I'll do this on the side right here. 2/5 as a decimal is 0.4. So this would be 800 plus 40%. Because 2/5 is 0.4. Changing 0.4 into a percentage, you'd multiply by 100. Or you would, move the decimal 2 places, make a butt, right? And then you add those together, you get 840%. You could do it either way. There's other ways too, but those are probably the two easiest, the least likely to mess up. Preguntas? You guys have any questions?
We're going to say about the calculators in the...
Oh yeah, okay. I'll tell you about the calculators.